Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you haven't, then welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble this really cute crochet butterfly bag. The written pattern for all of the pieces that you'll need to make this crochet butterfly purse is in the description box below. So you need to follow the written pattern in order to make all of the pieces, and then come back to this video and I'll show you how to assemble the purse. These are the dimensions of the finished purse, and for more details about the purse, you can also refer to the written pattern. To start, grab one bottom piece and two top pieces for the butterfly. The top pieces will be curved a little bit upwards, but it won't matter once you sew them to the bottom piece. Follow this graph to match up the stitches of the top piece with the stitches of the bottom piece. This graph is also included in the written pattern if you need a closer look. Here I'm just matching up the stitches. However you want to join the pieces is up to you. I basically just sewed them together. And I did alternate the colors of yarn based on the colors of the stitches matching up. And do the same for the other side. I had a lot of yarn sticking out at the end that I'll have to go back and weave in. But first, I wanted to connect the strap. Make sure when you lay out your strap that it is not twisted. On the top row, count in 10 stitches. And connect the outside of the strap to the 10th stitch on the top row. And I basically just sewed these pieces together. And do the same for the other side. Remember to weave in all the ends on the back side. Next, single crochet around the inside of the strap, all the way around, including the top of the bag. Next, single crochet around the outside of the butterfly and the top of the strap. This is one completed side of the purse. Repeat these steps to make the other side. Next, grab the base piece, and first I'll connect one side of the purse to the base piece. First I need to match up the butterfly piece with the base piece, so I will start at the first stitch on the base piece and match it with the first stitch on the top row of the butterfly piece, and slip stitch all the way around until I reach the first stitch of the first row on the other side of the butterfly. And this is what it'll look like once the base piece is attached to one side. Next, I'll grab the other side and connect it the same way. And once you've connected both sides, the bag is fully stitched together. And now just weave in any additional ends of the yarn. And that is the completed crochet butterfly bag. I hope that you enjoy it. It's one of my favorite bags. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoyed this content. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.